In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Jira running slowly. If Jira feels laggy, takes too long to load pages, or becomes unresponsive while you work, the good news is that there are several simple things you can check before assuming there's a bigger problem. We'll go through a clear set of fixes that can improve performance and help Jira run more smoothly. First, check your internet connection. Start by testing your internet speed to make sure your connection is stable enough for web apps like Jira. If pages are loading slowly, try opening Jira in another browser to see whether the issue is specific to your current one. If everything on the web feels slow, restarting your router can also help refresh the connection. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, then go to the Privacy and Security section. From there, clear cached files and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can cause websites to behave poorly or load outdated content. After clearing everything, restart the browser completely and open Jira again to check if performance improves. It's also important to use a supported browser. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, since updates often include speed improvements and compatibility fixes. Jira generally works best in modern browsers such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. While you're at it, disable any outdated browser extensions since older add-ons can interfere with loading times. You should also disable unnecessary browser extensions. Open your browser's extensions page and turn off anything you don't currently need. Some extensions run constantly in the background and can slow down web apps without making it obvious. Once they're disabled, reload Jira and see if it responds faster. Another common cause is an overloaded dashboard. Open your Jira dashboard and remove gadgets you don't really need. Large reports, charts, and too many widgets can increase loading time. Keeping your dashboard simple makes Jira quicker and easier to use. You can also optimize Jira filters. Go to Issues, then search for issues, and review your saved filters. Try to avoid overly complex JQL queries with too many conditions, and limit search results whenever possible. Smaller, more focused searches usually perform better. If you manage large projects or backlogs, review areas with thousands of issues. Archive completed projects or old issues if appropriate, and reduce unnecessary data loading where possible. Also, limit heavy reports. Avoid running complex reports on very large data sets, use filters to narrow results, and schedule reporting tasks when possible. Finally, check automation rules and installed apps. In project settings, open automation and review active rules. Disable any that are unnecessary or triggered too often. Then go to Settings and Apps, review what's installed, and remove unused apps that may be slowing Jira down. If you follow these steps carefully, Jira should feel much faster and more responsive.